Welcome to this deep dive. Today, we're looking at something, well, really practical, how we actually talk about our daily lives or routines in English.
Exactly. It's about getting the right words for those everyday conversations.
And we thought, what better way than to follow someone's day? Let's call her Emma.
Yeah, we'll use Emma's typical day to introduce some really key vocabulary. We'll break it down, practice a bit.
And maybe a little quiz at the end.
Sounds like a plan. Keeps everyone on their toes.
Okay, so Emma's morning. First sound she hears, my alarm goes off at 6:30 a.m. So, alarm. Pretty straightforward. It's the sound designed to wake you up.
Right. You set your alarm, it goes off. Simple.
Then, after getting ready, maybe Emma commutes to work by bus.
Commute, that's a big one. It's just how you travel regularly, usually to work or school.
Could be train, car, bike. That journey is your commute.
Then she gets to work. My shift starts at 8:30 a.m.
Shift. So your specific block of work hours.
Yeah, you might have a day shift, a night shift. It's that period you're scheduled to work. Got it. Okay, midday rolls around. Emma says, at noon, I heat up my meal.
Heat up just means making food warm.
Usually pretty quickly, right? Like in a microwave.
Often, yeah. Can you heat up the soup? That kind of thing. Very common.
Makes sense. Okay, day's done. Maybe on the way home, Emma needs to grocery shop.
Ah, yes. Grocery shop. That's the verb, the action of buying food and household stuff.
Like, we need to grocery shop this weekend.
Exactly. Or just, I'm going grocery shopping.
Near dinner time, she might say, I whip up something quick.
Whip up. I like that one. It means to cook or prepare something really fast without much fuss.
Like whipping up some scrambled eggs or a quick pasta.
Precisely. Not a 5-course meal.
Definitely not. Okay, evening. Maybe Emma relaxes by binge watching shows.
Oh, very modern term. Binge watch. Watching multiple episodes one after the other.
We've all been there, right?
Yeah.
Finished the whole season last night.
Guilty as charged. That's binge watching.
And finally, the end of the day. Emma hits the hay by 10 p.m. Hit the hay. It's just a casual, informal way to say, go to bed or go to sleep.
You're like, okay, I'm tired. Time to hit the hay.
Yep. Fun expression.
So all these things, the alarm, commute, shift, meals, chores, relaxing, they form her routine.
Routine. That's the key word,
Yeah.
really. It's just the regular sequence of things you do. Your daily habits.
Your usual pattern. My morning routine is sacred.
Huh. So people feel that way.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the vocabulary. How about we quickly practice them?
Good idea. Just the word and a super short definition you listening can repeat after us. Ready?
Let's do it. Alarm.
Wake up sound.
Commute.
Travel to work.
Work hours.
Lunch break.
Mealtime at work.
Heat up.
Warm food.
Grocery shop.
Buy food.
Whip up.
Cook quickly.
Binge watch.
Watch many episodes.
Hit the hay.
Go to bed.
And routine.
Daily habits.
Nice. Hopefully those are sticking.
Yeah, feels good saying them. Okay, moment of truth. Quick quiz time based on Emma and these words. Let's see how much you absorbed. First one. How much time does Emma wake up?
The alarm goes off at 6:30 a.m.
Correct. How does she get to work? Her commute.
She takes the bus.
Yep. What does shift mean again?
Your work hours. Your block of time working.
Got it. Where does Emma eat lunch?
Well, she heats it up, probably at work during her lunch break.
Makes sense. And whip up. What's that mean?
To cook something fast, quickly.
Perfect. What does she do after dinner for relaxation?
The modern classic.
Yeah.
She binge watches shows.
Indeed. When does she usually go to bed?
She hits the hay by 10 p.m.
Good. And what do we call all these regular daily activities together?
That's her routine.
Right. What appliance is often used to heat up food quickly?
That would be the microwave.
Yep. And last one, the fun phrase that means go to bed.
Hit the hay.
Fantastic.
You pass.
Or rather, hopefully you listening passed.
Yeah.
The point is, you now have these words.
Exactly. You can use them to describe your own day, your own routine in English, which is pretty useful. Definitely. Think about it. How would you describe your commute or what you do after work? You've got the words now.
And that's the goal, really, taking this language and making it practical for your life.
Well, thanks for joining us for this deep dive into daily routines. Keep practicing.